Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by measuring where your emissions come from, gather last 12 months of bills, and note travel patterns. Once done, install 2 quick wins, LED bulbs and a low-flow showerhead to cut immediate use. Make sure to draft-proof doors and windows for heating savings. Use a real-time energy app and log baseline numbers. This gives you a target to beat. These early steps cost little but start momentum. You'll reduce waste while preparing for bigger changes. Now focus on systemic changes that compound over months. You should optimize heating with a programmable thermostat and service your boiler. Once done, evaluate a heat pump retrofit if feasible. For transport, consolidate errands, create a weekly trip map, and shift half of your miles to transit or cycling. Make dietary shifts by adding 1 to 2 meatless days and prioritizing local seasonal food to lower embodied emissions. Make sure to track progress monthly so small behavioral shifts become lasting routines. To finish, lock in long-term measures and track results. Install smart meters, keep travel logs, and update a monthly CO2 spreadsheet so you see trends. Then invest in insulation, efficient appliances, and consider an EV or annual transit pass to cement reductions. Once done, set quarterly reviews and adjust targets. If your savings stall, check for phantom loads like always-on chargers and reassess behavior. Sometimes a single appliance or habit erases gains, so isolate and fix it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.